We are pleased to show you the 2023 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.